looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family? We'll take a look at this 2017 GMC Acadia Limited in iridium metallic with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear bumper parking sensors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Sirius XM satellite radio, 7-passenger seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5527.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.